Hi everyone, today I'm wearing easy crop sweater. This is called easy crop sweater because it's very easy and it's cropped. And so this is made with our Merino number 5. Merino number 5 is a super chunky yarn and this is 100% merino wool. So it's very soft and light and warm. So this is very easy and you use big needles so it goes very fast. So I'm wearing with jeans, but you can wear with dress and skirt. It will look so cute and it goes very fast. And I have more colors, but this video will be available for you for free to download and learn how to make sweater from beginning to end. So this is free on YouTube. So enjoy it.